Hello friends, in previous video you have learned how to write cursive letters A to Z. In this video we will learn how to join two-letter words. Let us start.
We will start to write with a loop. Loop, write A, loop. Don't leave your hands now. Write continuously. Start from here and join another A like this. A with A. Okay? A with B. Loop, write A and B continuously. And at the end, again loop. B. Start with loop A and C and end with loop again. A and join D like this. A and E, up and at the end loop E. Now we will write B with A. Start with loop like this, B and join A like this. A. B with B. Write B, loop and join B like this. B and C. B, loop and write C. B and D. Join with loop like this and again loop. B and D. B and E. B, loop and write E. Now we will join C and A. Loop, write C, loop and write A letter like this. A. C and join B. In cursive writing, don't leave your hand. Write continuously. C and another C. C and D. C and E like this. Now we will write D. Start with the loop D and loop join A. D and A. D with B. Write D and join B without leaving your hand. Okay. D, loop and join C. D with D like this. D and loop and write E. F. E. E, up and write A and at the end loop. E and write B. At the end, loop. E and C. Very simple. E and D. Okay. Starting and at the end you have to leave loop. E and E. Now we will write F with A. F. Loop and start from here A. Like this. F. Loop and join B. Okay. F. Loop and join C like this. F and join D like this. F and E. Hope you understand this video very well.